Welcome back to English with Tariq, where we delve into the brilliant mind of Mark Twain. In this video, we'll be sharing with you 30 of his most famous quotes. Mark Twain was a renowned American author and humorist whose words continue to captivate and resonate with audiences worldwide. So, let us jump right in and explore the wisdom of Mark Twain. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. The two most important days in your life are the day you are born and the day you find out why. Don't go around saying the world owes you a living. The world owes you nothing. It was here first. Kindness is the language which the deaf can hear and the blind can see. The fear of death follows from the fear of life. A man who lives fully is prepared to die at any time. The fear of death follows from the fear of life. A man who lives fully is prepared to die at any time. Whenever you find yourself on the side of the majority, it is time to pause and reflect. The best way to cheer yourself up is to try to cheer somebody else up. The man who does not read good books has no advantage over the man who can't read them. To succeed in life, you need two things, ignorance and confidence. The lack of money is the root of all evil. Courage is not the absence of fear, but rather the judgment that something else is more important than fear. Never put off till tomorrow what may be done day after tomorrow, just as well. Good friends, good books, and a sleepy conscience, this is the ideal life. The worst loneliness is not to be comfortable with yourself. The most interesting information comes from children, for they tell all they know and then stop. The only way to keep your health is to eat what you don't want, drink what you don't like, and do what you'd rather not. Age is an issue of mind over matter. If you don't mind, it doesn't matter. It is better to keep your mouth closed and let people think you are a fool than to open it and remove all doubt. The difference between the almost right word and the right word is really a large matter. I have never let my schooling interfere with my education. A person who can read has no advantage over one who can't read. The more things are forbidden, the more popular they become. It is wiser to find out than to suppose. Truth is stranger than fiction, but it is because fiction is obliged to stick to possibilities. Truth isn't. Golf is a good walk spoiled. It's not the size of the dog in the fight, it's the size of the fight in the dog. Action speaks louder than words, but not nearly as often. The lack of money is the root of all evil. There are basically two types of people. People who accomplish things, and people who claim to have accomplished things. The first group is less crowded. It's better to be a lion for a day than a sheep all your life.